Hey yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. So in this video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to achieve a sleek high bun situation. Yeah, DIY, do it yourself. My hair is not the typical 4C or 4B hair. It's already relaxed, so I wouldn't be using any sort of glue or glue spray in this tutorial, just so I don't get a lot of product into my hair. And this hair extension is the regular braiding extension in color 1. If you are interested in this video, do make sure you give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment and subscribe for more. Let's get right into it.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
And lately, I'm living life kinda crazy. Only real niggas next to me, that's only lately. But baby, I haven't seen you lately, are you crazy? It's driving me over, baby, did you leave me? Riding around town in the Mercedes with a new baby, are you crazy? I'm feeling kinda hazy with no baby going crazy. Fugazi, you left me, now you're gone, you don't wanna be my baby. But really, you got me in my feelings, I'm emotional. Vibing with these bitches, trying to get my mind off of you. Just give me time and I'll show you. Never leave a nigga on the come up, how is that for you? Yeah, how is that for you?
What did I do to deserve this? This feels got me feeling kinda hurtless. Losing all this got me feeling homeless. This feels be working, look at me, I'm working. I feel like it's the time for me to write this, for you to know how I be feeling when you act this. Oh, how you act like I don't act like I'm the one that broke it all apart and killed it back, yeah. I like this, looking at you like this. It's like I lost the battle, ended up winning the fight-ish. So what did I do to deserve this? This beat got me feeling kinda hurtless.
Yeah, you acting like you missing me. Back then you were dissing me. Back then you were acting like there's no way you were missing me. No way you were picking me again. No more kissing me again. Yeah, you know you broke my heart. No more killing me again. I just started seeing light, I'm not risking it again. I just started smiling, you're not convincing me again. No desire to end in the fire with you. Now I'm better, I wanna take it higher. And I hope you cry, hope you die, hope you die if I die. I don't wanna see you die, cause I wanna see you cry, cause I died. I don't wanna see you smile, cause I wanna see you cry, cause I died. Cry, cause I died.
What did I do to deserve this? This feels got me feeling kinda hurtless. Losing all this got me feeling homeless. This feels be working, look at me, I'm working. I feel like it's the time for me to write this, for you to know how I be feeling when you act this. Oh, how you act like I don't act like I'm the one that broke it all apart and killed it back, yeah. I like this, looking at you like this. It's like I lost the battle, ended up winning the fight-ish. So what did I do to deserve this? This beat got me feeling kinda hurtless.
And lately, I'm living life kinda crazy. Only real niggas next to me, that's only lately. But baby, I haven't seen you lately, are you crazy? It's driving me over, baby, did you leave me? Riding around town in the Mercedes with a new baby, are you crazy? I'm feeling kinda hazy with no baby going crazy. Fugazi, you left me, now you're gone, you don't wanna be my baby. But really, you got me in my feelings, I'm emotional. Vibing with these bitches, trying to get my mind off of you. Just give me time and I'll show you. Never leave a nigga on the come up, how is that for you? Yeah, how is that for you?
What